Affordable housing is a beast. We're here to help you tame it. Hey Smarties, if you want smart solutions for your apartment community, hit the subscribe button and the bell below. Affordable housing is very near and dear to my heart. It's actually where I started my career over 20 years ago. Very important here to the SMART team as well, and we understand the challenges that you can face on site, whether it's during a lease up, a recertification, or even a REAC inspection. We have the tools and the certifications to help you succeed in this area. At Smart Apartment Solutions, we can help you with the recertification process, new application intake, waitlist management, new lease-ups with getting those tax credits flowing to your community. Also, we can help you with software challenges that you might face with Yardi or OneSite or MRI. We specialize in all of those. Understanding the affordable community processes is extremely important, and we take that seriously at Smart Apartment Solutions, especially when it comes to marketing your affordable community. It's completely different than a market rate community, and we understand what makes it different here at Smart. We know that affordable housing can be tough and challenging, and that's why we're here to help. Through the process, through new lease up, through recertification, through your REAC inspection, or if you just need to talk, we're here to help. If you have any more questions about affordable housing and how Smart can help you, click the link below, and until then, we look forward to getting smart with you.